Not sure when to start bath time or how to do it safely? Let's walk through tub baths step by step. We have a muslin swaddle, 2 washcloths, a bath towel, fresh pair of clothes, and diaper. For tub baths, you can use an infant tub or bath support. We're using Angelcare. Once your bath support is in the tub, the water should be up to about hip height on the baby. That's roughly 2 to 4 inches. You want the water to be warm but not hot. You can use your wrist or a thermometer. It should be roughly 98 to 100 degrees. If at first your baby doesn't love taking a bath or they're a little extra fussy, you can always swaddle them in the tub. You can swaddle your baby prior to putting them into the bath support or after you've laid them there. I'm starting with the swaddle blanket in the bath support. I'm getting the back of it wet with the warm water first. Then I'll put the baby into the support and swaddle him up. If you're doing a swaddle bath with your baby, you simply uncover each area as you clean. We want to start from the cleanest area and move to the dirtiest. We're going to wash the baby's face with a clean washcloth that has no soap on it. There's a little bit of soap in our tub already, so I just get my washcloth wet and begin bathing the baby. Again, you want to pay attention to the folds of skin under his chin, under the arms, in between the fingers and toes. As soon as you're done bathing the baby, remove them and swaddle them with a towel. Dry them off and keep them warm. Newborns need to be bathed about 1 or 2 times a week. You'll know if you're bathing the baby too frequently if their skin becomes dry or flaky. If your baby's skin is becoming sweaty or oily, you can bathe them more frequently. Once your baby's older, about 6 months, bath time becomes playtime. You can keep toys nearby, always use self-draining, that's best, and always make sure to keep your baby away from hot faucets.